I got these in the mail just now. And these are OTC hearing aids. Listen to the world. If you guys want to do a screenshot, that's it. So let's unbox these. So it's got one of those sleeves, right? So we take that, we'll put that over there. And then I think this will come off of here. All right. So far, so good, right? All right, so now we've got this booklet, which I think we're going to need to read. And it has QR codes. Has cleaning the wax of your ear in time, fitting your hearing correctly, helpful tips. Listen to the world. This is the user's manual. May need that. All right, inside we've got these. It says accessory box, so I think you got to push these in and then pull that out like that. So it does come, I'm imagining some kind of charging system, which is probably a USB-C to, oh look, a little cleaning thing. USB-C to USB regular. All right, set that. Let's just put that back in the box. Okay, so it also comes with more of these little wax rings, and it comes with heads, so you want to save those. And then to get these out, I think I just got to pull them out. I think that's it. That's them right there. So let's take a look at them. Get them out of the package. Oh, there we go. And wow, they look kind of cool. Pop them open. Ta-da! There they are. I think we need to charge them. And there is a charging port in the back here. So we'll do that. Let me set this over here. And I have, of course, multiple USB-Cs. So let's go ahead and we'll just plug it in and see what happens. It gives us a little blue light that's blinking. So I think we have to let these charge and then we can try them out. So here, let's take a look inside. Yep, it's showing orange. So I think it has to maybe turn blue. I don't know. We'll have to wait. Let's give it a chance to charge, and we'll come back and we'll try them out. All right, that's the unboxing. Yep, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this.